What's happening? This your boy Keenan. You know what time it is. That's right. Keenan just felt like cooking. Right now it's in the morning. It is hot. Like it seems like it's 80 degrees. It ain't even 10 o'clock right now. So what I'm about to do breakfast on this grill. Check it. So this is what we're gonna start off with. We got some of these pork shoulder steaks right here. Got 2 good packs. Pretty cheap, as you can see. Bam. Look at that, man. Marbling. Looking real good. We're gonna season these bad boys up. We're just gonna use this Sniffin Griffins OG Rub. And as you can see, it's time for some more of that. And alongside of that, I'm gonna go ahead and do this flat meat skirt steak, Carne asada. A lot of different names from a lot of different people. What I'm gonna season with that, we're gonna use this Tomahawk seasoning company. Hello, my name is Essential. All right. There we go. This came out good. Seasoned with that Sniffin Griffins OG Rub. Nice pork shoulder steaks. Alright, now let's get to this beef. Alright, so I got this Carne asada going, and as you're seeing, it's cooking real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and get the baby set in this bad boy. We're gonna get it all finished, and then I'm gonna show you what else I came up with. Back in a minute. Alright, so this is a quick little side I'm gonna hook up. I got this buttered little aluminum dish here, cracked up about, what's that, 8 eggs. Use whatever seasoning you want. This is just a nice little all-purpose seasoning. My Goya Total seasoning. Put a little bit of that in there. Some black pepper. And then we're gonna scramble this up. Watch this. We're gonna scramble this up like this. I'm gonna add some cheese, and we're gonna throw it on some smoke. Back in a minute. All right, so got these eggs hooked up. Little, quick little something I'm about to put together real quick. It is very hot out here, and the heat has been cutting my phone off. And I'm out here dodging them big green beetles, and I don't like them. So that's some eggs. I got 2 slices of American cheese that I broke in half and just laid like this, and then topped it with some mozzarella cheese, and then sprinkle a little bit more seasoning on there. And this little thing right here is heavily buttered, so we're gonna cover this and see what it look like. All right, so it's been about 20-25 minutes. And okay, I don't know if y'all can see that, starting to set up around the edges a little bit, and we're gonna let it keep going. It's coming along fine. So your boy Smoked Omelet. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes, and it's like all kind of stuff flying around out here. Let's check on these eggs on my smoked omelet. Hey, what do we got going on here? I think we, look at that. I mean, that's it's like a deal right out of Hollywood. Yeah, I think that's about ready. It's looking good. It's nice and fluffy. It rolls up a little bit. Oh yeah, that's ready. All right, let's pull this bad boy and get a little plate together. All right, so we got everything done. We started off with the pork steaks grilled to perfection with the Sniffin Griffins OG Rub. Let's get, hold on, we zoomed in. There we go. And these bad boys taste good. I actually tasted a little piece and they are amazing. Nice and grilled up. Yeah. Yeah. And then we went on ahead and hooked up some of this Carne asada.
Yo.
What up, Nick?
What up, big dog?
We went on ahead and hooked up some of this Carne asada right here, seasoned with that Tomahawk seasoning. Hello, my name is Essential. What's up, Larry? How you doing, man? Yes, sir. That's one right there. Oh, you got hooked up. Oh, that's all good. Yeah, little cousin just rolled through, man. I ain't seen him in a minute. And this is the other bit of the Carne asada right here. Yeah. And this is a piece of resistance, yo. This is something I just came up with. This is your boy's smoked omelet. Alright, so I got me a little plate together. As you can see, I got that pork steak. Got a nice little smoke ring going on in there. Some of that Carne asada that I grilled up. And then this is my smoked omelet. I just cut it up into little chunks. Like a frittata. It's pretty, came out good. Cheese, 2 kinds of cheese in there. Pork steak, look at that. Nice, and got the nice little piece of fat, little ring on there. And then of course the Carne asada. That is tender. All right, let's try a little something. All right, so got a little plate hooked up here. We're gonna go ahead. I want to try this smoked omelet. That right there, little nice little nugget of beauty. That's on point. Smoked eggs is on point. I'm just saying, if you don't know what to do and you need something new to do with your eggs or something, you know, spectacular, do a smoked omelet. All right. Pork steak. The Sniffin Griffins OG Rub definitely is the business. Real good off some heat. Nice, sweet, savory. It's just like an all-around balance. Man, that's good. Alright. Now, Carne asada. You know, skirt steak, flat meat, whatever. This is one of my favorite things to do real quick off the grill. And that's nice and tender. Seasoned with that Tomahawk seasoning company. Hello, my name is Essential. That is a real good all-purpose rub. I recommend everybody to try that. And of course, like many others, get that Sniffin Griffins as well. Or do your own thing. I mean, that's what I do sometimes. Do your own thing. But I got these rubs, and I'm just running through them, putting them test runs, and doing it. This your boy Keenan, cooking it up, smoked omelet with some grilled meat.